also back from your vacation. Visit Zanya again for a very good hydrating facial. And if you have developed a tan on your skin, then I recommend that you wait for a week, allow your skin to cool down and allow it to recuperate. So during this period, no bleach, no steam, no scrubbing. And after a week, come to us and we'll help the skin to hydrate and moisturize. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and enjoy yourself. This is Shilpa Sawant, owner of Zanya and your personal care and wellness expert. Do engage with me for a free consultation for your skin and hair, and I will guide you to the right treatment and the right home care protocol that you need to follow for yourself. Do like, share and follow my page. Thank you.